Okay. Someone asked me about how to add Google Translate to your sites on Oncourse. So as always, I feel it's best to show it and then let you follow along with your own website. As always, my name is Jeffrey Johnson. I am the librarian over here at Terra High School, and you can reach me at jjohnson2@ebrschools.org. Let's go ahead and get started. Right here is my Oncourse website. All right, I am still working on it, but it's got a few things I'm pretty happy with. I've got, of course, the online resources. I've got the library calendar right down here, so anybody can schedule whatever they need. Got the technology request form. I'm pretty happy with that one. That one's just recently put up. I'm actually pretty proud of this one. You get an email every time this thing gets filled out. It's really cool. Now, what you don't see here is a translate link. All right, and that's really my fault. I should have done it because I've already put it on the school's website. This allows the website to be translated into any language. Well, any language Google could easily handle. Now, notice it will only translate text. Notice how while that was happening, this picture up here didn't translate because that didn't get translated. Bosk. Okay. This picture up here didn't get translated because that's a picture, not text for the computer to translate. Also notice it's not translating the PowerPoint because in a previous video you saw that that's really just coming in from another website. Alright, but it translated everything else except for everything that's coming from other websites. And other things that it has trouble translating, like check-in and Westside. You know, there's going to be a few things that it has trouble translating like that. It even translated our alma mater. That's pretty cool for me. Marketing original. I'm going to close this off. Don't need it. What we need is this. Now, what you need to go to is the Google's website translator website. It's right here. https://translate.google.com/manager/website. If you don't happen to have that, just Google add Google Translate to website. It's this page. Easy as that. Click to add your website now. Click that. It's going to ask for the URL of your website. If you're using Oncourse, this is very important. Do not give them this website. Do not give them that one. Give them this one. Give them the one that people actually see when they go to your website. So we're going to copy this URL. We're going to paste it here. What is the original language of your website? Mine's obviously English, so put it in English, but you can put it in anything. Click Next. Set your options. Translate to all languages or to only specific languages. I'm going to leave it for all languages. I never know when someone's going to come in here. Display mode. Do I want it inline? Do I want it tab? Do I want it automatic? I'm going to leave it as inline. Inline means they get this. Alright. Drop down or horizontal or vertical. I'm going to leave it at horizontal. That way Google gets their, their proper stuff. Advanced, automatically display translation banner to user speaking languages other than the language of your page. In other words, if they're coming in from another country, if their computer's language is set for a different language, it should automatically say, hey, would you like to translate? Your page contains content in multiple languages. If your page already contains multiple languages in its content, click that. Mine doesn't because this translates it. Track translation traffic. I don't need to worry about that. I don't really care. Pretty much this would say how many people use this. I don't care. We're going to get the code. Paste this code. Now you paste this in before the closing. So at the bottom of your page you paste this in. Alright? That way Google says, hey, we know this is ours. So we're going to not come here. Close that. We're going to edit the page. Double click to link. I'm going to go straight to HTML this time. I know last time I kind of avoided it, but this time I'm going to go straight there. I'm going to come back to Google and I'm going to copy that whole URL, go back to the edit web page, just add this in on the bottom. Now I'm going to get the other one, this one, get the whole thing, copy, back to my page. I'm going to go all the way to the top because I like mine at the very top. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to click Update. Click Save and Close. You know what? I'm actually go back in because I don't like it being that close to it. HTML, because this is what I need to do. And then I go to the bottom of the Google translation script. So you translate. This is the picture right here. I'm going to add the code for entering. You know, I'm just going to click cancel. You know what I'm going to do? Make my life easier. Enter. Okay, you know what? Enter. Save and close. And there we go. Now we have a little bit more space. To me, that looks a little nicer to have a little bit more space up there. Now, I just select the language, and it translates for me automatically. Why this translate up here? This isn't a picture. This is actually a text box I added. Click Show Original. Let's test it out. Click here. Here's the website. And now my website's in Croatian. Nifty. The only thing it didn't translate, of course, is Terra, because it probably didn't, because it's a proper noun, would have had trouble with it. So, that is how you add Google Translate to your website. I hope this works out for everybody, and of course, email me if you have any problems. Again, at jjohnson2@ebrschools.org. Have a nice day.